So a few months ago, I bought a bumper for our '08 JK off of Amazon, and this thing is rusting like a mother. Look, check this thing out. I'm not happy with it. So this is one of those, be careful what you buy. But I like to give you guys updates once in a while, especially if something's really crappy or if something's really good. And this has kind of been getting crappy. So I threw this bumper on, she's probably like 8 or 9 months ago, and look at the freaking rust coming out of here. It's coming out of like between here. We put this bumper together. There's a spring that goes in the release handle right here to release the tire carrier, so we can open the tailgate of the Jeep. But we keep washing this, and there's all kinds of like rust coming out of here. I mean, it's a pretty good look. It was a pretty good looking bumper. I like the style of it, but I'm not happy with that. It's really hard to push the handle in, turn it, and swing the tire carrier out of the way. There's also like a ton of play at the hinge joint right here to swing the tire carrier out of the way. There's a ton of play in there. So if you can avoid this bumper and go after a different one, maybe somebody will approach us with a better product and we'll swap them out. But I'll have to start kind of researching a little bit. If you guys got a bumper in your JK that's better than this and the quality is really good and you guys have had really good luck with it, drop a comment, let our viewers know which ones are better out there. And I gotta try stuff out. Steve and I tried out different products all the time on the channel, and we report back to let you guys know how we're making out with the stuff so you don't make the same mistake. Try to help you point you in the right direction. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll reply back to you. Thanks for watching, guys.